I was recently called out to do a repair on a lawn tractor. The complaint was the engine stalled while mowing thick grass. And the complaint also stated that the engine backfired and would only try to backfire while starting. My first instinct on this case would be that the valve seat or something in the valve train was causing the problem. And when we arrived, we found that this engine had zero compression, and what had happened was the exhaust valve had come out with the valve guide dropping into the cylinder. Fortunately for this customer, it didn't damage the piston or the cylinder wall, and we were able to replace the cylinder head and make repairs on the engine. It's just interesting that the valve guide came right out of the head. Now, what causes this problem is engine overheating, and in this case the engine was a pint low, and out of a pint, what that means is 1/3 of the engine volume. So that oil that was remaining had to do a lot of work at trying to keep the engine cool, but wasn't adequate, and that's what caused the failure: overheating.